Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Altima key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, gather your materials: a new CR 2032 coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the task much easier. Let's get started. The first step is to access the battery compartment. Begin by locating the small release latch on the back of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. Next, find the small notch on the bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. Gently twist the screwdriver to begin prying apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old coin battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery. Hold it by its edges and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive, or plus, side faces downward. Avoid touching the flat sides of the battery to maintain its charge. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear them snap securely into place. Ensure all edges are flush. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.